times I played this meditation music for you guys. So for those of you who are new here, I am Mihika and I'm 19 years old. As you've read by the title, today we are going to talk about manifestation. Yes. And I will also be sharing how I bought myself an iPhone at the age of 18 by the means of manifestation. So before I get into this video, I just want to say that everything that I'm going to be talking about are completely my experiences and my point of view of how I perceive certain concepts of manifestation and basically how I get through life. So starting with what manifestation means and what it is to me. So manifestation for me basically is dreams coming to life. So every single thing you can basically think of in your wildest imagination or want really badly for yourself or have a perception of how it makes you feel, you can actually be feeling that, having that and embodying that. Also, the reason why I'm putting this video out is not just to glorify my achievements and everything that's come to life out of my manifestation. I'm just putting this out there for you guys and also my future self to just come back to and be like, okay, this works, and keep going. I remember when I initially first just came across the term manifestation and I was reading about it, I used to search for manifestation success stories and like people just sharing their achievements so that I can also get that push to just keep going. So now that I am in a position to put this out there and there are people listening to me, so why not do that? Because old Mika would have really appreciated something like this. So first of all, manifestation is not equivalent to journaling. Let me just clear that up. But yes, journaling plays a major role and it just gives you that one pull that okay, I have journaled, so like I've put it out in the universe in physical writing, and it's just a symbolic push. Personally has really helped me, but I would not say I'm really consistent with it. I don't journal daily, I hardly journal, but I started penning down my thoughts the first time in 2021. That too not daily, occasionally, but yeah, I used to write the things I'm grateful for, the things I want in my life, and I write them like it has already happened for me or is going to happen, with that strong belief. And let me tell you guys, everything I've wrote in this journal right here has come true till date. I'm really not jinxing it, And in my opinion, everything you want to manifest or you journal does not just come to life just by writing it down. So to actively manifest, the first thing that comes is belief. Believe that what you want is already yours. I personally just believe that there is no way I'm not gonna get what I want. Now when I say this, I don't mean that मेरे को self doubt नहीं होता है. I have days where I'm the most negative person you'll ever come across. But तब भी you should have this thing in your head that whatever I'm feeling right now is temporary and it's just a way of letting and venting my doubts and negative thoughts out. I don't truly believe this. Now secondly, the most important thing in order to get exactly what you want by manifesting is to not second guess or be confused about the things that you want. Now I have personally observed that every little thing that I've wanted and I've not gotten, while asking for it or while trying to believe it, there was always a sense of confusion, or I was confused about this thing. So if you're planning to manifest something really exact, that I want this model of this iPhone or I want 95%, you have to be clear. You have to give the universe a clear message that you want this, because then universe भी काम पे लगेगा ना, उसको तुम्हें एक decision देना है कि हाँ भाई मुझे ये चाहिए. Now the third very important point, do not let your self-doubt take over you and your beliefs. All of us self-doubt, most of us overthink, but do not let your mind trick you into thinking that you can't have this, you're not meant for this won't happen for you. Anything can happen for you. Number 4, don't let a lot of people in on your manifestations. I personally am very secretive like that, but I also am an oversharer, so I really have to draw a line sometimes to just be shh about it. I think the possibility of everything going down the drain is a lot less when not many people know about it. You can obviously share it with the people that love you and you yourself can trust. And the 5th one and last but not the least, just plain belief without aligned action will not get you shit. I'm sorry, but it will not. So for example, if I say that I manifested my iPhone, does not mean that दैट मेरे बेड पे बैठे बैठे आईफोन प्रकट हो गया, नो, या मैं कोई लॉटरी जीत गई. दैट वुड हैव बीन द बेस्ट सिनेरियो एवर, बट इट डिड नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. Now coming on to the part that most of you have been waiting for, the reason why so many of you must have clicked on this video. How did I do it? How did I buy an iPhone myself at 18? So let me start by telling you guys the reason I so badly wanted an iPhone. Number one, peer pressure. 8 out of 10 people in my college have an iPhone, but the main reason that I wanted an iPhone for, this is the first time I'm saying it out loud, is because I always wanted to start creating content. It feels so nice to say this because I finally am in a position where I am doing what I've always wanted to do. I am sure I have manifested this.
Nice.
I actually heard, I don't know, some businessman or something, where he was just like, in your teenage, you should buy your own damn iPhone. And I was like, you know what? I will. I don't just want to ask my parents for it, because obviously I would have gotten it if I really asked for it. I wanted to earn it myself. So since the beginning of 2022, I had this thought in my mind that I want to buy an iPhone for myself on my 19th birthday, which was in October. I just finished with my first year of college at the end of May, and then our summer vacations were approaching. So I was like, you know what, Mika, this is the time. Like, if you don't start now, you won't be able to get an iPhone on your birthday. So the first thing that came to my mind of how to quickly earn a good amount of money was to apply for internships. So I applied for so many internships, and I even gave like interviews for some fraud companies. I don't know what I was doing. I was so desperate.
Stop it. Get some help.
But then I was just surfing clothes on Instagram and, you know, going through all these accounts. I came across this brand on Instagram called Zamo. So I came across their story that they were currently hiring interns. So I dropped them a mail, cleared 2 rounds of interview, and I got the internship. And at the end of the final interview, I asked them what would the remuneration be like. And I was expecting like 2k, 5k a month, you know, because I was a fresher. And he just slightly said like, yeah, we're giving our interns 20,000 rupees. And I was like, what? But what I forgot was that even if I saved up the whole stipend of every month up until October, starting from mid-June, it would not be enough to buy an iPhone 14 that I was hoping for. But kahin na kahin, I knew I still need to just keep pushing. So because I was doing an internship with them, I was also allowed to run my own store on Zamo. So basically I got into affiliate marketing. I was literally going at it.
Every day I was putting up a story, promoting brands, promoting my store, tagging brands, pushing to get reposted on their page.
And let me tell you, trying to do affiliate based on my Instagram profile with 700 followers was not the ideal situation. Like, people don't think anything of you. I don't know what people thought of me. I didn't care honestly at that point, because I just knew what had to be done. You know, when I used to go to college, there were so many people who were, you know, really excited for me and so interested, and also bought from my store to support me. But then also there was these type of people who, you know, they joke a lot and they say stuff just because they're being funny, but they're actually trying to put you down. Let me tell you, the joke's on them, and the worst thing you can do to yourself is get affected by these type of people. And now coming to the happy part, I bought my iPhone with my own damn a few days before my birthday. I opened it on my birthday. Cue my unboxing video.
Oh, उठाइए अपने
इसका भी hello आएगा.
Hello, Mika.
मेरा हाथ कांप रहे. And this was one achievement that really keeps me going, because it just set an example for me that regular manifestation plus hard work can really get you anything. And as much as I believe that, I want you guys to believe that. Also, I just want this video to be that push for you to keep believing in yourself. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you made it till here, share some of your little success stories in the comments below, and let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. And if you like this video, please like this video, it really helps, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.